Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get better photos image or enhance your image with GIMP. So this is new image manipulation program that you can download for free and install on your system. So let's start by open this app, and here you can upload or import your image. You can open the canvas first, or this one, so you can upload your image here or drag the image that you want to edit or enhance. And here we go. So there are some method that you can use. So here just click your image first, and here you can click the colors. Here you can adjust color distribution, color temperature, hue saturation, and saturations, and shadow highlight, and so on. So but you can just use curves in order to create balance, like brightness, or make your image darker or brighten. So yeah, just simply adjust the curve based on your preferences. And here you can reset the channel if you mess up, and here you can change the value like green, like RGB, the red, or blue. Here you can reset channel again if you want to, like messing up. Here you can reset with this. And also, if you click colors, if you want just adjust or change the saturation, just click the saturation button. Here you can choose the interpolation color space, or CIE lab, or just native, and this is the preset, and here the scale. So you can try to adjust the scale, black and white, or more vivid, the vivid color to make it live. And also here you can try to use a color balance, like shadow midtones, like you can try to a more cyan or red. You can play with the magenta color and yellow, and so on. So this is the split view that you can use it to preview. So feel free to try to enhance your image or your photo with the GIMP software. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next